a perfectly inelastic collision, the objects stick together after colliding. Momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not.
So this is our problem 1 about perfectly inelastic. So a 4 kilogram car moving at 2 meter per second collides and stick to a 6 kilogram car that is at rest. Find the final velocity after the collision.
Now, let's substitute our formula and given. So next, we're going to solve our problem. So after the collision, the two cars stick together and move at 0.8 meters per second. This is our problem number 2. A 29 kilogram car moving at 20 meters per second collides and sticks to another 10 kilogram car that is at rest. Find the final velocity after the collision. So this is the same process of our problem number 1. Again, we're going to substitute our formula and our given. So the final velocity after the collision is 14.87 meters per second. In elastic collision, both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. The objects bounce away from each other after colliding. So our problem number 1 is about elastic collision. A 2,500 kilogram car is moving at 7.0 meters per second, while another 2,500 kilogram car is moving at 1.5 meters per second in the same direction. The two cars collide and stick together after the collision. What is their final velocity after the perfectly inelastic collision? So the final velocity after the perfectly inelastic collision is 42.5 meter per seconds. So this is our problem number 2. A 15 kilogram car moving south at 15.0 meter per second collides with a 45 kilogram truck that is at rest. After the collision, the two vehicles stick together and move as one. What is their final velocity after the perfectly inelastic collision? So their final velocity is 3.75 meter per second to the south.
And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.